the world's largest radio telescopes. Now the ALMA telescope in Chile's Atacama desert is also going to become the world's most powerful. It's a momentous time for the scientists and engineers who are preparing for its official inauguration. They battled against the harsh desert climate so they could delve deeper into space than ever before.
It's
a milestone because it's the largest observatory built in the world.
The $1.3 billion observatory will examine light from the coldest and darkest corners of the universe. Officials claim it will allow astronomers to study wavelengths invisible to the human eye. This could lead to a boom in the number of confirmed planets and alien solar systems.